here we have 250 grams of fresh chicken breast. We put them in our kitchen robot with 5 eggs, whole eggs, large. And then we have 5 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 large tablespoon of no sugar peanut butter. We whisk them in our robot, kitchen robot, and then we put them in our bowl with half a cup of warm water. We add, at the moment I have about 5 cup of wholemeal flour, and I have some extra ones on the side. I'm just mixing my dough. And you can do the same process with all different meat. I can smell the peanut butter. Now I'm gonna put all my mix on my surface. And then I have a handful of flour to get rid of the excess soft dough. And then I can sprinkle a little bit more flour to make it easier for me, so I can work on my dough. When my dough holds all together, that means it is ready. You can make really big dough and just cut them into halves or portions, and you can freeze them, or you can just cook them, and you can keep them in your fridge up to 2-3 weeks with no problem. I'm gonna cut my dough in 4 pieces. And they are perfectly ready to go. Let's make our biscuits. Cut our dough smaller pieces. Then we can just roll them. You can make your biscuits small as you like, or if you have bigger puppy, you can make them bigger pieces. You can use any dough cutter, or you can just cut them yourself. Now we're gonna slice them. And then we have our fork, small fork. Just dip it in your flour and then press them. Your biscuits are perfect. Keep the cut side up and press them down. In our tray, they are ready to cook.